So are we as accountants going to write or use AI to do workflows that actually we can get someone that's in this space to do? Now, that doesn't really prevent SaaS going away, but you said pricing from a user basis to a feature basis needs to change. And we are seeing that. We've reported on that, I think possibly in the last episode, the episode before. Unleashed have changed from a user to a functionality based pricing model. I think we're going to see a lot more of that from these SaaS vendors. But you also point out that you think that it will be SaaS will still be used for compliance processes. And something that I am going through at the moment is I'm using a fully AI created accounting practice to create my set of accounts for my business. Now, this has been created, this accounting practice has been created by not a non-accountant, someone that has not been trained or qualified as an accountant. They have just created some AI agents, told them to communicate to each other and given them specific roles. And the output from that has already been incredibly impressive. We are running through this story via LinkedIn. It's going to be at Accountex. If you've not picked up on any of it, look at our LinkedIn feeds because it's remarkable what it can deliver. It's not perfect. There are issues. It helps that I can spot those issues because as a layman, I don't think I would. But having a level of review or oversight over the top of essentially and a completely AI run accounting practice is something I think we're not that far away from. So, and that's taking the compliance side and moving away from SaaS.
I mean, that's slightly different. You're still overseeing it. What I'm talking about is that it's going to destroy thin software. So the ones that are thin layers of software. I think when you've got something that, yeah, it can help you perform the duties of the compliance piece quicker, but it still depends on you, Ryan. Like you said, you still have to look eyeballs on. It just means that there's less Ryans that need to do that. And so therefore the pricing model will be broken if we're depending on, like the per seat model that we've had in the last decade.
Well, I think there's one benefit then. There's less Ryans in the world. Surely everyone is looking forward to that over the coming years.
Yeah, okay. It does seem that AI is going to mean that we might need less people and less babies in this world. And as org charts fill up with AI agents, while we're concerned about the sustainability, environmental impacts of AI, maybe it will hit the other end and our population will decrease, which is from someone who's concerned about climate change is probably a good
sad,
thing.
positive. Yeah. We need the population to decrease, but even better, 3-day weekends, everyone. Come on, that's something we should be looking forward to. And that's a possibility. So I'm pushing that agenda.